welcome to the Universal Stella Nova Resort, the first of the hotels surrounding Epic Universe to open here in January of 2025. The park will open in May, along with the Helios Grand, which is attached to the park, but also this more value-oriented hotel and its sister, which will open in a couple weeks, Terra Luna, opening ahead of the park. So we're going to check this out. Relatively inexpensive rooms. I think around $180 a night is what they're saying. Obviously, pass holder discounts, you can get better rates, etc., than other deals. Yeah, it's going to be a very white room, but they've done some things which I think break it up a little bit, which I'm happy with. And we'll see how we feel as we go along. With the closet is here. As soon as you come in, there's a door there for a connecting room if you need that. That's a tall closet. But you don't get to use all of that. There's some... I don't think that's supposed to be open up there. Whatever's up there is not for us to access. But oops. Opening days. Extra bedding. Safe. Thank God, an iron and ironing board. And a real good amount of storage space. Really way more than those 10 hangers can handle in there, but nice and spacious. A lot of room for bags down there. There is a nice big mirror here at the entry. Take a look back at the entry area. The soundproofing is not good. I can hear everything next door. I'm sure they can hear me doing a room tour. It's not ideal. There's another light here, I hope. No? This? No. No, is this just this door? There's gotta be a light here, right? Did I just miss this one? That's not lighting up. Is that the bathroom? Oh, that's on. Okay, that was my confusion. I hit one of those and not the other. So, hi. Another mirror there. We have, there's some space down there. Not that you really put anything there, but I guess you could if you wanted. But under the sink's a weird place to store things. Towels, hair dryer, toilet paper. Oh, this is cool. Themed. Branded, I should say. Branded soap. Cosmic Ember. I don't know if there's any real, excuse me, any real cosmic-y look to the soap itself, but it's cool that it has a wrapper. Now we'll enter the bathroom. Pretty standard, but I do like there's something going on in the tile here. You can kind of see it. There's a pattern, which is wavy, and yeah, I guess it's kind of spacey. The way I view this resort is it reminds me a lot of Aventura, but with curvature is how I feel. They're doing the mounted conditioner and shampoo now as well. At least they're branded bottles, which is good. But there's the bath soap. Again, the Cosmic Ember bath soap is there. Pretty standard shower. That does something. Some sort of oscillation or something happens there. Standard tub. It's our toilet. Towels. I assume nothing's hiding back here. No. It's a value hotel, so keep your expectations within reason. There's this interesting room divider panel. I think it's plastic. Oh, that's glass. I hit it before and it sounded like plastic. I hit it because I saw this curtain. I've stayed in a lot of hotel rooms where this curtain is just the divider, and so there wouldn't be anything here typically. That rattles a lot. But yeah, there is that, and you can... Oh, no. Wait a minute. What? Huh? I'm so confused. So I was like, oh, well, this has got to pull across for bathroom privacy, right? Wrong. It ends there, the track. So you could, if you wanted to that's as much as that goes. It opens up the room a little bit, I suppose, but I don't know does that give all the privacy in the world that person needs? At that point, why don't you just put a wall or extend the track across the path, right? Wow. Weird decision. Either way, we're in the bedroom now. There is a fridge here. Pop this open. Standard little mini fridge here. coffee station. What do we got on this thing? A Cuisinart? Gotta make a Spaceballs joke. We're at a space hotel. What are these? Are these lights? Are these another set of lights I didn't know how to turn on? I don't see a switch or anything. Could be this one. No, that turns those off and on. That's the overhead. What are these? What are those? I have no idea. I don't see any sort of switches anywhere. Maybe they're on it. No. This has to light up, right? Oh, wait. No, that's just a seam. Right? I might be losing my mind. That's absolutely a light. Maybe they don't work. It is opening day. They maybe don't know that some rooms are having problems. I'll look at someone else's room photos or something to find out, because it just seems awfully weird that those do nothing. They're metal, and there's definitely like a transparent pane in there, so it's a light. Try one more time. Nah, nothing. Yeah, so it is a little dark on this side of the room. There's a dresser here with some nice wide drawers. There's some built-in outlets here. I see 3 standard USB, a USB-C, and 2 standard outlets there. I do like the end table has this sort of iridescent finish to it. I don't know if that's showing up on camera, but it's pretty. Good splash of color from the couch for the room. Also the carpet around the bed. I'm a big fan of the carpet around the bed. I think I said that in a recent Disney room tour. I think that's nice. And it doesn't have to go all the way back. At least it, is where your feet would be when you get out of bed at night, which is, I think, the important part. But either way, there is I assume a big decal of space. Star Cruiser vibes with the orange. Big Star Cruiser vibes. But then you got this big headboard that goes between the two. It's a little uneven. This kooky lamp. You got a wireless phone charging alarm clock over here. TV remote. Yeah, this is a 2-queen room, by the way. 2-queen pool view room is what we're staying in. Nothing special about the bedding, really. I appreciate the throw pillows, though. That's another thing that is, in most Disney hotels gone by the wayside. So good on Universal for that. Behind the lamp, I see 2 standard outlets, a standard USB and a USB-C hiding. Let's take a look at our view. I like the exterior. I think the exterior hotel is very pretty, and I like what the weird shaped window does for the room. It does give it a spacey vibe. Just a plain gray curtain back here. That's sad. But I like these windows a lot. I think they're neat. They give the room character. If you're going to do plain white rooms, if you believe that is what your guests want, like a clean, modern look, then I think it is your job in the world of themed entertainment to try to find ways to give that personality. And I think the window does a good job. It carries a lot of the weight in this room. This is a really nice view, the pool view. We have a lot of roof, but we also have a nice, you can get an idea what the exterior looks like from here, because the two of these look very, very similar, both the Terra Luna and Stella Nova. And a lot of road work and construction going on out there as they get ready to expand Universal Orlando Resort with Epic Universe and these new hotels. Lots of work happening out here. We kind of drove through a construction zone this morning. But a good idea to soft launch a hotel. Hotels are a big undertaking. You want to get some things figured out. We got a view of the pool bar and restaurant out there. The nice big, I can't say ovular. I found out that ovular does not mean shaped like an oval. It means what you think it means. An oval-shaped pool and the hot tub out there as well. I'm going to switch to the regular for you guys. There you go. Out there. And then way out in the distance is SeaWorld. Some of you might be thinking, oh, I see Universal out there. No, those roller coasters are SeaWorld. So we have a view of SeaWorld and as well the convention center just down the way. And then there's a lot of sun seating, which are obviously not today, but it is allowing us to get some nice clean looks at these things without people in them. So, it's not a bad thing. So all in all, I mean, a solid value room. I don't have a lot of problems with it other than the curtain thing. The curtain thing's a little weird, and obviously we're having some light problems, but yeah, the TV's up here. Looks like it does some pairing, and you can explore the hotel, things like that. That's always good. We'll go back to the wide and wrap up. And yeah, I think for the price, there is a walking path to Epic Universe. I don't know how that's going to look yet, but I can't imagine for this price people are going to be upset with it. And I think it has enough personality and character, just enough to make it a solid option. I haven't tried the food or anything else yet, but that'll be in a different video. But nonetheless, I think it's a solid room.